right, guys, this makes the second. Maybe this is the same car. This is the second Corvette I've seen in this color. And I videoed the other one too. I'm willing to bet this is the same car. It must be an 81 with the Crossfire Injection. That is a neat looking system to come out the Chrysler lean burn. It just didn't perform that well. I don't know which one was worse, but 82. Okay, I didn't know they did that in 82 also. One year they didn't make the Vette, maybe it was 81. Crossfire Injection. Matter of fact, I think the other one is probably the same car.
I got a guy that asks me every time I'm here if he wants to
Check out that.
off my car. And I'm like, I don't like him.
He said that
Everybody loves him.
he's made a cup holder that fits over his emergency brake handle.
Yeah,
And make a double take on that.
they're not my cup of tea, but everybody likes them. So, get some other ones. I got a guy on.
It's kind of a copper almond color, guys.
I got one of those stupid Powerballs.